Talk, guys. Tell me, how is your experience with applications
Mom, it's
of?
fun.
It's fine, right?
Yeah.
So, till which question? What was the last question that I sent yesterday? From a window. Yeah, that window question. So we have slowly moved to depression also, isn't it? Angle of depression also we did little bit. So now onwards you will see a good little bit more difficult questions. So get started. Window question was easy, isn't it? All of you were able to follow, right? Please don't share the link outside. I don't want to, make it private because otherwise kids spend a lot of time in the waiting zone. So it's a request. Don't share the link outside. Nitanya is there. Shraddha 21. Akshmir is. Okay. Hey, Ibrahim is there? Yeah. Pranath is there. I know. Talk, okay? Keep the class lively, guys. Otherwise, I'll beat you up now after coming there. So, this is the next question. From the top, read it. I don't want to stress on any word and give you clues. You read it, you see which word is important. Every word is important. Word by word, read it and do. And kids, please send me your diagram as soon as you're doing because that will help you. Speed up, speed up.
Ma'am, we should write the question, right?
Yeah. Yeah, anybody sending me the diagram? Please send the diagram, guys, so that I can see how you are drawing. Label it, what all values are there, substitute, put it so that your diagram looks perfect. No one wants to send. Please send it fast.
I'm
Huh?
sending.
Huh?
I'm sending.
Okay. Pranat has sent. Okay.
Mom, I sent as well.
Something is wrong. Wait, let me see who got it. Simran is sending. Something is wrong. Natanya. Okay, something is wrong. Ibrahim. Ibrahim got it correct. Ibrahim, you got somewhat correct. So kids, thank you for sending. So now let us just see how to draw it. Okay. Let's see what went wrong. You will be able to connect properly then. Okay. Hassan has also sent. Something is correct. Something is wrong. Let me just check. Avnita. Avnita, yes, is correct, but there is a small mistake. Say it. Where did you go wrong? Okay. Say it properly. From the
Ma'am, so
top,
ma'am is correct, right?
yours also, there's a little bit of, I think, labeling. Little bit of labeling. You see, I'll tell you 1 minute. From the top of a building, which is 60-meter high, the angle of depression, that is the one they are talking, that means the 60-meter high building is the tallest. Correct. So this is tallest. This is 60-meter high. Anybody else? Safir has also sent. Kind of. Okay. Where was I? Okay, yeah. So this is 60-meter tall building. From the top of a building, we are looking at another tower which is little smaller compared to the building. So this is tower. I am saying the height is h because it's not given. Look carefully, kids, very carefully. So the person is here. From here he or she is looking. Angle of depression. So first there is a straight line, isn't it? After that, top. Angle of depression at the top. Correct? What happens? We always draw a parallel line at the top. So angle of depression at the top is how much? 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Fine. After that, and at the bottom. Bottom means from here you will come to bottom of the tower. Bottom of the tower is how much? 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. So please observe carefully. This line is parallel to this line and these two are alternate interior angles. Therefore, if this is 30 degree, how much is this? 30 degree.
30.
If this is 60 degree, how much is this? 60 degree. Now, if this is H, how much is this side? H. And this part will become 60 minus H. Correct? I think only Ibrahim's was correct. And the bottom one is X means this whole line will also be X. See, very important to understand. Kids who have made mistake, don't worry about that. I'm going to draw this once again. You see where you're going wrong and what you did not
Ma'am, so
understand.
is the height 40?
You already solved it. Yeah. Slow down, slow down. So there is
Mom, I don't get why we have to do a parallel line after everything.
Seema. After everything, you need a right angle triangle for trigonometry, isn't it? Otherwise, huh?
Show the diagram again.
Yeah, I am doing. From the top of a building. So here your building is tall, which is 60. Remember. Now we have a tower. This is our tower. We don't know the height. We are putting it as h. So this tower and building both are standing on the ground. So this line comes there. Also, where your tower stop end. So there should be a straight line here also. Correct?
Mom, can you draw the same thing but like the short one in the left side because I'm getting
Yeah,
confused.
that is fine. That's not a problem.
No. I did some error in the diagram, but I'm not able to get what you're trying to say because my diagram is completely different.
Okay. You send it to me. Let me see.
Okay.
So when a person looks from anywhere, Nitanya, anywhere, from here, anywhere, first your line of sight is a straight line. You look here parallelly, straight line. So if there is a tower in the opposite, you are looking at the clouds first. You are looking at the road. After that, you are moving your eyes and looking at the top of this building. That is why this 30-degree comes here and it makes an angle here. Understand? After looking at
Yes,
top of the building, you said, no, let me look at bottom of the building also, who is playing there. So he's looking here. So now from the straight line, again your eyelid has made this much angle. You are always making whenever you're looking at any object, your eyelid makes an angle with the straight line of sight. So I am making a dotted line because this line vanishes. Once you look down, this is your line of sight. Once you look at here, this becomes your line of sight. So line of sight changes. So now this became 60-degree. This is H, this is H. If this is X, this is also X. And this part is 60 minus H. Ovia, yours is correct only. You did not put 30-degree. That's it.
yeah, I put it after, but then. Oh, yeah.
After that, it is correct.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ibrahim, perfect. Anybody who has doubt with the diagrams, please do let me know so that I can keep an extra session, because kids, diagrams is most important in this chapter. You need to know where it's making the angle or whatever. Panache is there?
Yes, ma'am.
After every question, I want kids to send me the diagram. I need to see how you are making. Pranad, you understood what went wrong in your case?
Mine swapped like the two meters. I put the
You
60
did
meters as
not,
the downward.
yeah, you did not read the question properly. You have to understand that from the building the guy is looking. You made the building smaller and the tower longer. So that was yours. Yeah, Simran, you did not consider the tower only,
Yeah, got it.
right? Nitanya also did not consider the tower
Yeah.
only. Hassan made it. Yeah, Hassan was fine. Avnita was also fine. Safir, okay, he also made it, but you did not make right angle. So that is fine. I hope you would have understood now. Please solve the first question, tell me the answer, and then only we are moving to the next.
Mom, where does the 60 minus h come from when the tower is already 60?
Yeah, tower is 60, but see, this part is h. You don't know that, right? So this part is also h. So you can say this one is 60 minus h, because I think you need to find out the height of the tower. So that h would be required.
Mom, I don't understand.
See, if this much is h, this portion will be h, right? And this small portion will be total minus h.
But isn't the small portion already the tower?
No, see, this is the building and this is the tower. If tower is h, so till this part, the building will also be h.
Yes.
So how much is this area?
Okay, now I understand. What is the height of tower? 40 meter.
Yeah. Kids who have completed the first question, can you please send me your working before moving to the next?
Mom, can you check mine?
Who sent? Swara. 8AC and 60 equal to AB by BC, which is 60 by x root 3. X is equal to 20 root 3. That is correct. After that, AED, tan 30 equal to AE by ED. That is also correct. 1 by root 3 and yeah, this is correct, Swara. Move to the next. Draw the diagram and share it. Yes, Shraddha, that's correct. Yeah, Zishta. Perfect. Very neat. Thank you, kids, for sharing. Yes, anybody who drew the next question's answer? Okay, Ibrahim. 50, 30, 10. Yeah, Ibrahim, this is correct. Just try to get into the labeling mode. Anthony, Pranath, come on, send it to me. Panash, what happened? What is Aryan doing? Aryan, send me your work.
Mama sent the answer for the next one.
Good job. I think you like this chapter. That's correct, Ibrahim. Chalo, do. Come on, Anthony, Pranath, send me your work. I want to see the diagram of the new question. Panash, Clive,
Yeah, yeah. Send.
The new one I'm doing, ma'am. 1 second.
Lachu cannot send. Nasha is not there. Zaki, Zishta Swara, they are sending. Anandini is not there today also. Isha, Safir, come on. Swara. Good job, Swara. Good job. Nandini, Naisha, who's there? Atishay. Then? Yes, Hassan, this is perfect. Atishay, Nandini, Naisha. One more person is missing. Who? Fatima is there, Ibrahim is there, Joshua is also missing. Why is Joshua missing all the classes? Send me the diagram. It's okay if it is wrong, guys. I want to see.
Ma'am, my answer was correct, right?
What?
My answer was correct.
Yeah, Ibrahim's was correct. Good job, Simran. This is correct. Good. Do it. Once you understand the process of making diagram, this chapter becomes easy. Everything is on the diagram. If you send me your diagram only, I will know where you're going wrong or where you need help. Yeah, Avnita, this is correct. Fatima, something is wrong in this. What is wrong? Let us see. What did they say? They said, a man is standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. So the guy is standing here. The guy is standing here. If he is A, he observes the angle of elevation on top of the hill. So the hill is bigger. You see, the hill is bigger. Now he is looking at top of the hill. Understand? Angle of elevation. So this is his line of sight. Then he is looking like this. So this angle is 60. From there he is looking. Understand? After that, an angle of depression of the base of the hill. When he is looking down, it is 30 degree. So here it becomes 30. I think you would have got where you went wrong. Please fix it. I did it. Guys, if you're not sending and just watching what I did and then doing, it will not help you. So if this is 10, this is also 10. This is H for me. And then this is
Ma'am,
A.
do I
Yeah.
send it to your Indian number or your normal number?
Only one WhatsApp number, the regular one.
Ma'am, I sent you my figure for the second question.
Let me check it. Simran has sent. Simran is saying which is equal to 30 plus 30. Simran, you're correct, but just see if you have found out what you were supposed to find. Complete.
Okay.
Yes, Anthony, correct. Clive, please send me your work, Clive. Nitanya, the second diagram,
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you get it? In triangle AED, what do we have? We have tan 60.
Ma'am, could you wait 1 second? I'm almost
Okay.
solving it. Wait.
Speed up, speed up. Ibrahim, I'll give you another question. Panache, you've not sent me anything. Clive, Panache.
Ma'am, I sent you my answer. Could you check, please?
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah.
isn't DEH minus 10?
1 minute, ma'am. Yeah, now diagram is correct, Clive. Do a little bit more. Okay. Clive, just see you have to find the full thing. You have done it correct, but let's just see if you have found out what you're supposed to. Yeah, Avneeta. Oh, he's sending me one more thing. Yeah, yeah, perfect, Clive. This is perfect. Clive, sorry,
Yeah,
Avneeta,
yes.
did you ask me something?
Yeah, isn't DEH minus 10?
DE, H minus 10. No, it's not. D is only H because this height is given to you. So this height is 10, but this is unknown. They did not give you the total, right? So we cannot say minus 10. It's only H. You are supposed to find DC, I
Okay.
think, right?
Ma'am, the value of the height of the hill is 40 meters, yeah?
Height of the hill is 40 meters. Hill is what? Hill is the
Ma'am, and the
entire
distance
thing.
is, other the distance is 10 root.
Hill is the entire thing. Something is wrong in Swara's. What is it? X is correct. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is Swara, that's where you went wrong. It is not 10 minus h.
Is
Because
it 10 plus h?
the whole hill is 10 plus h. But this is only h. DE, there is
Oh,
no DE. I have put H because I don't know the value. I know only height of this person who is standing above the sea level. That is 10. That's why this portion is 10. This portion is 10. And this part of the hill we don't know. You find out H, you will add it to 10, so you will get to know what is the total height of the hill. Oh, we have sent it in the group only. I everybody copy. Good job, Ibrahim. This is correct. Okay, Aryan. Guys, move to the next question. Before I do it on the board, I want everybody to solve it and send me the picture. I want to see the diagram. Diagram is very important. Yes, Shraddha, this is correct. Yeah, Anthony, done, correct. Oh, yeah, it was correct. Please do this question. I want to do a balloon question. That's also very, very important. Yeah, balloon is there. Then there is a peacock and snake question. Send Pranad, it's okay.
No, I forgot to label something. That's why. Ma'am, can you check the diagram?
Good job. Finish the question now.
Ma'am, can you check?
Yeah. Avneeta, correct. Yes, Simran is correct. Yeah, Shraddha, correct. Please do this. Yeah, first one, H is 30. That means this portion, how will I show? That means you will find H equal to 30. But the hill is this whole thing. So hill will be equal to 30 plus 10, which is 40. Yes, Swara, that's correct.
Ma'am, they said the tree is like in the middle, so does that mean it divides the river into two halves, like into two equal like
Yeah, not
distances,
equal parts. They did
50-50?
not say equal. Height of the tree you are finding. Tree is
So like,
42.
how do you assume the base distance? Like X and Y?
Why X and Y? The total is given. If you have 10 rupees, you give 3 rupees to Ziva. How much is left with you? 10 minus 3, right?
Sir, sir, yeah. Oh, okay.
Ibrahim, height of the tree, I don't think is correct.
Wait, ma'am, could you explain the base part again? I didn't get like
Okay,
I
okay.
know the
I'll
total is
explain the
100, but like
diagram. Most of them have done it, so I'll explain the diagram. What is it? There is a small island in the middle of a 100-meter wide river. So this is the wide river, which is 100. Okay, let me write it down. Which is 100 meters wide. Okay. And a tree stands tall in the island. Okay. Island means it can be, middle means also tree can be anywhere. They did not say tree is dividing into equal part. That means this is the tree. P and Q are the point directly opposite to each other. So P is here and Q is here. And P is making how much? P is making 30 degree and Q is making 45 degree. That is also done. Find the height of the tree. If the whole thing is 100, let me see how is it. But do we need all that? They are just asking you to find H. So if I give it a name AB, tan 45 is equal to AB by BQ. Okay. So we are getting BQ is equal to AB. That means this both are equal. This is also H. Now tan 30 is equal to H by PB. H by PB. How much is tan 30? 1 by root 3, right? 1 by root 3 equal to H by PB. So this will be PB equal to H root 3. PB equal to H root 3. So this is H root 3. Yeah, I think we got the answer. H root 3 plus H is equal to 100. H root 3 plus H is equal to 100. Okay, so H is common. Root 3 plus 1 equal to 100. See, you can rationalize and figure it out. Figure it out, and then substitute the value.
36.6.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I read again and sent it.
Okay.
Mom, I got it wrong.
Yes, ma. You check it. No problem. We are doing and learning. Yes, Shraddha, it's correct. Okay, Ibrahim got it. Yeah. Everybody do it. Seema, where do we need that h minus x? You know, when the diagram is something like this. So for the problem is at that time for this triangle also you need the base which involves this. That is the time when you can take h and 10 minus h and all. But here they are independent triangles. You don't need that concept.
Mom,
Hmm?
is the answer 86.6?
86.6. Just check. Just check. Just check.
Ma'am, I'm getting 36 point something.
Yeah, it
6,
is
36.6.
36.6.
Ma'am, is h equal to 100 root 3?
100 root 3. You,
I don't know. I'm like, I don't think so I'm right, but
how did you get that? 100
no,
root
like,
3 minus
yeah, after
100 you will
that,
get, right?
realizing.
Huh?
Yeah, that I got. No, yeah, I got that over 1 minus 3. So then, like, if I take out 100 as common, I'll get 1 minus root 3. So if I cut 1 minus root 3, 1 minus 3, I can get root 3 in down. So it'll be 100 by root 3
root
or
3
something like
minus
that.
100. This was 3 minus 1, which is 2. So if you take 100 common, root 3 minus 1 by 2, this will become 50, right? Root 3
Oh,
is
I forgot to subtract.
1.732 minus 1. So you have to
Wait,
take
wait, wait, wait. Got it.
Zaki. Yeah, Zaki, this is correct. But don't complicate because, if you write decimals and division and all, it's better to make your life easier, kids. Next question. Who is like around 80% confident with this chapter now? Or who is not feeling confident? I need to know both, kids, because it's very important that we get a hang of this chapter. It's like it has got a good weightage. And one 5 marker comes from here. So we have to be well prepared. Yeah. Now
Ma'am, I'm
this is
not
correct,
confident.
Zishta. Yes, Sovia.
Not
From,
me.
huh?
Not me.
This is the next question. Please try to draw the diagram correct. Not me. What not me, Ovia?
Ma'am, you told that okay, Ovia. I didn't say that.
Acha, like whoever is not feeling confident, please you can, if you want, you can tell me so that we will have to keep another session.
Ma'am, I just have
You
that little problem with like the decimal division.
decimal division. So why don't you like? Okay, let me just see your work. I think I told for that only, right? Your calculation.
Ma'am, I don't feel confident with the chapter.
You don't feel confident. Okay.
I don't feel confident in the decimal calculations, but the console was
See, Ibrahim, you saw the way you did division and the way I did division. That's what I said. You made a little complicated. I would have done it like this, but you did. You selected that x and 100 minus x. That's why it became a little. Or else you will have to do, yours was like this, Ibrahim, 100 by 2.73. I would make it 1000 and then 273, then division. Remove the decimal part. For that, you will have to add two zeros above.
Yes, ma'am.
But what is it that is making you go wrong in the diagram? You are not paying attention to details, or what is it? Now, if you look at this question, the horizontal distance between two towers is 140. See, the first statement is very crisp and clear. There are two towers and they are apart by 140 meters. Done. The angle of elevation of the first top of the first tower. Just read the second one carefully and send me, Nitanya, send me the diagram of 24th question. Read word by word and send it to me. Yeah, everybody, please do word by word research and then send me the diagram. Whoever is possible, send it.
Ma'am, I sent you my diagram. Could you please check?
Hmm?
I sent you my diagram. Could you please check?
Yeah, correct. Proceed.
Okay. Check my diagram.
Yes, Shreya, this is correct. Shraddha, this is correct.
Okay.
Ibrahim, not in the group. No, Ibrahim, this is wrong. Check, check, check. Read and do. Where is this 60? Okay, here. Check. Fatima, in the diagram, just look at the 60 part. Just look at the 60 part. Something is little wrong with that. Yeah, Safir, this is okay. Yeah, correct only. Yeah, Nitanya, this is correct. Please do it now. Ibrahim, you're doing small mistakes. See the horizontal distance. You are taking the slanting distance as 140. Horizontal, that means it is in the ground. The horizontal distance between the building is 140.
Yes, I wanted to like put that as a horizontal, but then I drew it as.
Okay, that is the slanting is not. The angle of elevation on top of the first
No, I
tower.
was trying to like put it like as the horizontal there, but then I drew the figure wrong. That's all.
Okay. See, there are two. What was the question? The horizontal distance between two towers is 140. Top of the first tower when seen from the top
Ma'am,
of
can you check my diagram?
whose
Ma'am, Pranod.
wait.
Ma'am, OVS is one.
Pranat. 1 minute. Yeah, oh yeah, yours is correct. Ma'am, I'm stuck. Could you check? Yes. Swara is. Wait, let me just see, okay? The horizontal distance between the two towers is 140. That means there are two towers standing at a distance of 140. The angle of elevation, that is, you're looking from down, of the top of the first tower when seen from the second tower. That is, if this is the second tower and this is the first tower. So angle of elevation. That means this guy is
Yeah.
looking on top of it. Angle of
So
elevation, huh? Top of the first tower when seen from top of the. So this is 30 degree. Okay, fine. This is 30 degree. The height of the second tower. That means from here he is looking. So this is 60 meters. Find the height. So if this is 60, this part is also 60. So this is only H. You don't have to do minus and all. Simple. This is H. This is
Wait,
140.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
what's the distance? No, I
Huh?
mean, like, what's the answer?
Answer. Wait. I have to see the working. I'm not telling the answer like that. Wait.
Ma'am, can you check if my answer is correct?
Yeah, 1 minute. Shraddha, you have to check. There is something wrong. What is wrong? Yeah, you people are all get confused between this h minus 60 thing. How will it become h minus 60? It's not even related to that. If the whole is your whole thing h, oh, hers is whole thing h, then it is h minus 60. Yeah, then it is correct.
Ma'am, is H 302.2?
Wait,
Ma'am, I'm
mommy.
confused. The
Ma'am,
distance.
how is it H? Will that be H minus 60?
Yeah.
Huh?
Over there in the top part, in the top part of the tower, which you mentioned as H, shouldn't it be H minus 60?
No, no, actually, I did not take the whole height as h. I have not taken the whole height as h. I took only this part as h. So that will be h only for me. Because
Ma'am,
if
could you
this
once
is
again
one
take that
triangle,
as H minus
if
60?
this is one
Because
triangle,
that's what
there
I
is
did.
no relation. Huh?
No, I took that part as H minus 60, so could you like just try solving it
Yeah,
like
you
that
can
once?
do
I
in
just want
that
to check.
way. 1 minute. Shraddha, you found out h. Why don't you subtract 60 from that? No, I don't think.
Ma'am, I know where I went wrong. It's a dumb mistake.
Shweta, your calculations are very difficult.
Ma'am, can we discuss? I think I got the answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Wait. Let everybody try that.
but in the question, it's given that the height of the second tower is 60 meter, meaning the whole thing is 60 meter, not just the part that's same to the first tower.
No, second tower is the tower from which you are looking at the first one. So first one is taller and second is shorter. Second is 60 and the first one is 60 plus h.
Not getting. Because it says the angle of elevation from the top of the first tower to be
From the top of the
first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30.
yeah, so when seen from the second tower, so this is the second tower. From the second tower, you're looking at the top of the first tower.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
is the answer 242.48?
No, man, no. I think it's two people. Hassan got it correct and Ibrahim got it correct. See, go word by word, Ovia. The angle of elevation. Definitely, so elevation means somebody is looking up. So where are you looking? You're looking at the top of the first tower from the top of the second tower. So this
Ma'am, is the first tower the one to the left or to the right?
for me, this is my first tower.
Okay.
So from here, I'm looking at top of the first tower. And they said height of the second tower is 60. So this is 60.
Ma'am, but if we're looking from the first tower to the second tower, then
Who
won't
said?
it be angle of
They are
depression?
looking from second to first. Read properly.
Ma'am, is the answer 140.8?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what's the answer?
140.8.
Uh-huh.
I'm about 140.9.
That's okay. Let us do the calculation and see.
Ma'am,
Here,
I sent you my working. Can you tell where I went wrong?
yeah. So just check this, Nitanya. There are, first of all, no, write with the pen. It's so.
Oh.
So if I take triangle ACB, in this triangle ACB, what am I taking? Tan, mostly we take tan only. So tan 30 is equal to what? AC by BC. How much is tan 30? 1 by root 3. AC is H for me and BC is 140. 140 by root 3 becomes H. So this triangle, it is
Mom,
easy.
wouldn't it be 60 plus H?
Why it will be 60 plus H? When you are considering only this triangle, why it will be 60 plus H? Why are you drawing the straight line? How will this part even connected to this?
But the tower's height will be 60 plus H, right?
Yeah, that is towards the end. First you have to find H.
Yes, ma'am.
So 140 by root 3. 140 by root 3, I will rationalize it. So that will become by 3. So how much is it? 4, 6.266 into root 3, 1.732. Multiply, multiply. Yeah, please do it. Multiply and tell me the value. You understood, right, Nitanya, where you made the mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Prima, can you take one decimal place, like 46.6?
Oh, yeah, you can. So here my H is coming up to be 80.7 something. So that is H. H is that. Plus 60 is the height of the entire tower. The entire first tower is 140.7 or 8. That is okay. 1 or 2 decimal places going here and there is okay.
Is H equal to 80.82?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Is this done? Guys, before doing this H minus 60 or plus and all those things, logically understand why is H used, why is X minus 60 coming and all those things, okay? Here, the entire height is not told, so you will not take that. Yeah, Zishta, that's correct. Yeah, Shraddha, you're correct now. You got to know where you went wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see who all can make this diagram correct. It's a textbook question. For this chapter, textbook question are very, very important. So I want you guys to side by side start doing textbook questions now. Though we have done many questions, so it will help you to do textbook questions. Read the question word by word. എന്തിനാ അമ്മ ഇങ്ങനെ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് വരുന്നത്? ഞാൻ ഇതൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു വരും. മാഡം just see guys if you are getting the diagram. Anybody send it to me. Little challenging but very nice question. Simran drew her diagram. Simran, read it word by word again. Read the question again properly.
Okay, ma'am.
So happy that kids are sending, and this is what is important. Read word by word. No? Nobody got it? By this time I'm supposed to be
1 second, ma'am. 1 second. One minute.
not pressurizing. Do aram se.
No, I sent.
Oh, that's perfect. But how are you dividing with this decimals and all? I would have rationalized.
Ma'am, so mine is correct, right?
Yeah, yours is correct. No, dear. Wait till I explain. Or try to read again and do. Imagine how a balloon will be.
Ma'am, is any angle getting bisected or something?
No, nothing like that. Not getting?
Ma'am, I sent him a diagram. Could you check?
Very good, Vishta. Good understanding.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let me now draw. Okay. Abnita, you did not read the question carefully. A girl spots a balloon. So, what is the funda here?
Ma'am, I sent. Can you check?
Okay. No, dear. This much tall girl. So, there is a girl, okay. You don't have to draw all this. I'm drawing for you to understand, okay. This girl's height is 1.5 meters, 1.2 meters, sorry. So this girl spots a balloon moving with the wind. So where will be the balloon? Balloon will be obviously here. Correct? Now, the girl's angle of elevation of at the instant is 60. So when she was first looking, it is 60 degree. So balloon is at a height of 88.2 from the ground. So how much is this angle? How much is this angle? Let us take like this. How much is this angle? 60 degree. Right? This whole is 88.2. Right? Now what happened? Now what happened? The balloon is moving with the wind in the horizontal line. That means from here the balloon reached here. So when the balloon reached there, when the kid is looking at the balloon, it's making another angle. What angle? 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now what? So you only tell me, if the height of the kid is 1.2, this much, what is the length of this part? How much is this part? Tell me, tell me.
Ma'am, is the final answer in root?
What did you get?
Derivative. I got 58.8 root 3.
Perfect.
Correct? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Tell me, kids, can you tell me what will be the length of AB? What will be the length of AB? Tell yaar. No one wants to tell.
Ma'am, what?
What is the length of AB?
Ma'am, should be 87, right?
87.
Exactly, it should be 87 because we will remove this height. So now you got 87. So if without the girl, if I am looking at the diagram, my diagram will be like this.
Yes, sir.
So this is 87. This whole thing is 60. Small one is 30. Then what did they ask you to find? They asked you to find the distance traveled by the balloon. That means you
Ma'am,
need to,
the other, there's also 87. Both of them.
exactly, you need to find only this part, which is x. And this is also 87. So that's easy. See, balloon, you need to think like that. Yeah, guys,
Ma'am, can you like solve this?
you want me to solve it?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 minute. Did everybody understand the drawing? Huh? Did everybody understand the diagram? Nobody will say anything.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Okay. I will just do once again for the kids who have not. There is a balloon in the sky. The balloon is like this. It is at a height of 88.2. There is a kid standing here who is 1.2 meters tall. She is looking at the balloon and making an angle of 60 degree. Now you can see this part has to be removed because this 88.2 is the entire distance. So if I subtract 1.2 from that, this part becomes 87. Now the balloon has horizontally moved and it has reached to this particular position. When the kid is looking at that the balloon, after some time it's making 30 degree. So actually speaking, you need to find BC. You need to find BC. First you will take which triangle? EBA. Take EBA. In EBA, what is the angle? 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to how much? 87 by AB. So what is tan 60? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to 8 AB. Root 3 AB equal to 87.
Ma'am, how is it 87?
Kids, that's what I was saying. That the
Oh,
balloon
that's
from the
okay.
ground level is 88.2. The girl is height 1.2. So this 1.2 has to be removed for this part for the triangle. So this 1.52 should be minus. That's how this area becomes 87. We require that for the triangle. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle will be constructed with the line of sight, which is this, which moves to this part to make the angle 60 degree. So I cannot take 88.2, which is the whole length. I cannot. I only need this particular part, which is 88.2 minus 1.2. So AB is equal to 87 by root 3, which is 87 root 3 by 3, which is 29. 29 root 3. So we found out AB is 29 root 3. Now which triangle should I take? Somebody tell me which is the next triangle.
ADC.
ADC, the whole triangle we will take. in triangle ADC. Tan 30 again. Tan 30 equal to DC by what? DC by AC. Guys, you guys have to prompt. Tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is how much?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3 equal to DC is 87. AC we don't know. So we will say AC equal to 87 root 3. Now we have AC. AC is what? The whole thing, right? And you have AB also. We need to find BC. BC is equal to AC minus AB. That means 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. How much is it? 17. 17 minus 9. 8. 7 minus 2. 58 root 3 is your answer. Don't complicate your calculations. Try to do as easy as possible.
Ma'am, I got like it's okay if we get. Or did you round it up? That's how you got the single numbers.
Your answer is correct. What? No, I did not do
So
anything. Na, I rationalized.
yeah, okay, fine.
Where
But you
did
can
you
get it in
do?
decimal. It's fine, right?
How did you get decimal? 88.2. See, that is why you got it wrong, because you took 88.2. 88.2 is with respect to the girl. Again, and okay, I will show here once again. This is the girl. See, this is the girl. Now, or this is the girl. Okay. So this girl, they have set the height as 1.2. And the balloon is at a height of 88.2. But the problem is when girl looks straight, she will look till her height, right? She will look straight till here. So if she is looking straight like this, when she is looking up at the balloon like this, please understand you are considering this triangle. For this triangle, you need to know this height. This height. How much is this height? We are removing this part. This part has to be removed. What is that part equal to? How much is that part? That part is
That's
equal to
why. Yes.
1.2. So 1.2 has to be removed from 88.2. That is how it becomes 87. Always remember, we are dealing with right triangles in trigonometry. Whenever they give height of a person or height of a tree from where somebody is observing, that means you have to, that 1.2 will have a crucial role. That 1.2 or the height of the person will have a very important role, because your triangle will only be made at the level of his or her eye. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, kids, don't hesitate to practice the questions. These are very important. Practice doesn't mean that you see and do. Practice means you don't see. You look at the questions in the group and try to do yourself. Getting the diagram is critical part in this chapter. Once you get the diagram correct, everything will be fine. We are still not done with this chapter. There are many questions to be completed. Today is only Wednesday, no? Maybe Friday or next day we will complete. Clear? Are you okay? Please practice so that tomorrow's class becomes easier, kids.
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will upload the video also. You can watch it. You can do it from the first. I have uploaded 3. Today it is the 3rd video. Please watch it and try to get the concepts clear. And after that also, if you have any doubt, ask. Very important chapter. 8 to 7, 7 to 8 marks from this chapter, which is not easy, and one of the easiest chapter where it's very difficult to lose mark if you understand the concept, because nothing will come from, like, anywhere else. Whatever you understand, this is very easy. Once you get the diagram easy, the question is very easy to do. So please try to do it once again and ask me if there are any doubts. Okay.